What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This here is the Rusty Toolbox, and today we are going to be taking out the engine and transmission with some help from a friend. We'll see you in a sec. Yes, you may have noticed that I shaved my face. I actually have lost some weight as well. Thank you for noticing. In all seriousness though, sold the seats last night, so got $100 for the front seats. That was pretty awesome. I have somebody coming over from the local Volvo owners group that has an engine hoist, and he is offered to buy the transmission and the pedals and basically all of that stuff. And he's gonna come and help me take everything out. So instead of me having to go get a new engine hoist, which I was planning on doing but didn't really want to do, he's gonna help me do it. So that's gonna be pretty exciting and a little nerve-wracking. I've never done that before, so it'll be a fun experience. All right, guys, we're back at home. We're gonna take out the engine transmission, selling the transmission and the pedals and all that stuff. So before if my friend gets here, the guy that's gonna buy it, we're gonna take off that front clip and the hood, and I'm gonna take out everything that I can without the engine hoist. Let's do it. All right, I got it off. I forgot to undo the hood latch release. Oops. All right, we got it done. That is a front clip less Volvo 240. Not too bad. A lot of bolts. It was I don't know if it was just rusted or if it had been lightly tack welded on the ends there, but really not hard to get off. Pretty easy actually. So now I'm just going to clean up the area and we'll get ready for the engine hoist. Alrighty, it's dark. Night has fallen. It's getting a little chilly out here, but we're doing all right. Get the engine all hoisted up. Just removed those headers, which were basically hanging on by a thread. We had to detach the driveline from the transmission and all that jazz, and now we're just disconnecting those last few cables. Before we can pull it all out as one whole unit. Pretty exciting.
I didn't get that last one.
Pull out, we can just pull it out. Nice.
Stick chop this way.
Studs, fun going on.
There it is. I did it.
Yep.
That wasn't too bad. There's just nothing left in there.
Room for a big motor.
Room for a little project, that's for sure. Wow. All right, we survived it. We got the motor out, transmission out, disconnected the exhaust, drive lines, and pedals, basically everything. So that was a huge help from him. He was able to head off with engine, transmission, driveline, mounts for the transmission, pedals, some other odds and ends, gauge cluster. So it actually was really nice because he took a lot of stuff and put me $270 more than what I was at. So we were at about 190. So plus 270, that puts us at 460. 460, right? Yeah, I think that's right. So we're at a good spot with the car financially. Excuse me. Jeez. Okay, get down. Get down. And yeah, I'm looking forward now to finishing, stripping out the interior, stripping out basically everything completely. We're gonna probably respray the engine bay and the interior. I'd like to paint it all white, or black, since the car's probably going to be black in the end. We'll figure it out. But yeah, the big parts are done. The car, all that's left right now is basically the shell. It's, you know, some odds and ends wrapped in there. So it's coming along. It's pretty exciting. Long process. I'm trying to be as patient as I can, although I just want to go out and get a motor and like put it in, make it a race car, but gotta be patient. Thanks a bunch for tuning in. Hope you subscribe. Hope you like the video. You know, I'm having a lot of fun with this build, and I hope you guys are too. So we'll see you next time.